Alright you guys, so before this video even starts, as you guys can see, we do have the BRZ headlights back on the car. Main purpose of this video, guys, is to show you guys how to wire the DRL to be on all the time without having to flip your little switch. Pretty much what this video is about, guys. Welcome back to another video, guys. We are going back to our BRZ headlights. See, we are already prepped to go ahead and throw them back on. So yeah, guys, these headlights are actually already repinned to my 16 FRS. Turn signals work, boomerangs work. Only problem is that the boomerangs are very dim. They turn on and they look nice at night, but during the day I know they could be brighter. I have a few friends who have BRZs and they're a lot brighter. There really is no video out there on how to brighten the DRL. So before I go ahead and show you guys my wiring, just keep in mind that I do have 6 to 8 pin adapters. Previously I did have VLAN, so that's where I got those. I know you can buy those separately, guys, so if you guys want to do it and go my route, make sure you guys go ahead and pick those up. Before I even put on the headlights, let me go ahead and show you guys my mess over here. When you have VLANs, usually what you do is white to green, yellow to red, and black to black. For whatever reason, when I went to BRZ headlights, I had to go ahead and flip the white with red and then yellow with green. Don't ask me why, but it worked. Anyways, guys, I got this wire right here. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is extend it going all the way to that side, wire it with the passenger side, and from there put it in the fuse. But that's not what we want. Right there. Let me go ahead and get this wired up and then I'll show you guys exactly how I did it. I rewired, touched up a few things. If everything went as planned, as soon as I turned the ignition on, the DRLs should turn on. Fingers crossed, guys. As you guys can see, they did turn on, but like I mentioned, guys, my only other problem was that they are not as bright as they should be. For now, DRLs work. Let me go ahead and try out the turn signals. Sir, sir. Anyways, guys, here we are. Let me show you guys one side. So now I know this may be confusing, but this wire right here, guys, is just extra wire that I bought to go ahead and extend all the way to the fuse box. But just hear me out. From the 6 to 8 pin adapters, we have these colors right here: yellow, white, and black. So black to black, obviously. This is the original harness for the FRS, so keep that in mind. White to red. There is going to be a green wire in here, guys. I just left that one disconnected. There's nothing running to that one. Originally, this yellow was supposed to go to the green, and you can't do it that way, but your boomerang won't turn on as soon as your ignition turns on. Grab the yellow, extended it all the way to the fuse box. And in case you guys are wondering what fuse I used, here we have the windshield wiper one. So it's going to be the one directly to the left that uses a 30 amp fuse. And if you guys do need a 30 amp fuse, just go ahead and look into your spares. There should be one right here. Fed the wire into the fuse. And this is what turns on your DRLs as soon as you turn your ignition on. Let me show you guys this side. Again, we went black to black, white to red. And again, our yellow was fed into this white wire, just like on this side. I know this might sound confusing, guys, because usually people tell you yellow to red, white to green, but in this case, guys, it's the opposite. Why? I don't know. A lot of people seem to have trouble figuring that out, but honestly, it's just trial and error. Anyways, time to throw the bumper back on, turn on the car completely, and maybe that'll fix our dim light problem. If not, let me know down in the comment section below if you guys know how to fix that problem, because I don't know, guys, I just feel like you can see it, but it's not where it should be, if that makes sense. We gotta fix this rust right here because it's kind of embarrassing. Now that we got the bumper off, we're gonna go ahead and grind all of this away and finally put a clear coat on it. so we just finished grinding down all the rust. See, the bar was actually starting to polish. All I know is that this is gonna look so clean with my wheels.
Little update, what's going on?
Bash bar's finally on, yo. No more rust.
Bash bar's finally on, all clear coated.
We got a little surprise for y'all, bro. We are currently going to get food right now. We literally haven't ate all day, so.
You know, like when you're so hungry that you just
You wait too long?
that you're not even hungry. That you're just
He's not eating with us. He's weird. Tired, bro. Good vlog.
Damn.
Is it dirty?
Shit looks clear.
I'm trying to get one of these, bro. Some pubes on the camera.
Pro,
Like,
bro.
Little fro cube.
Yeah, I like
See how tax this shit is now, bro? 17, bro. 17 bones, bro. He's gonna put y'all on quick, bro.
Welcome to my haul. This is what I got.
Bro, when you come to Wingstop, don't ever get their fries, bro. That shit get Checkers fries, bro. That shit probably stale as fire. Cajun fries? Come on, probably stale already, bro. Look at look. Some Cajun corn, bro. And guess what? Let me give y'all a cheat, bro. You take a shit, you put it in a little pan with holes in it. What is that shit called?
oh the
I don't know how to say it in English. I know how to say it in Spanish, bro. A strainer.
Just say it in Spanish, bro. Let them know.
A colador. You put it in a colador, bro.
Colador.
What do you call it? Strainer? Put this shit. You
In a colador, like
You eat this, you take a shit in the strainer, all the corn comes out, and you rewash it, and you eat it again, bro.
Unlimited food hack,
money,
bro.
Unlimited money, good. Stop playing, bro. So we got the Cajun corn, bro. Smack it. And,
Okay.
why is it all greasy though? I said I wanted that shit dry. Anyways, bro, we got some lemon pepper, bro.
Never dry, bro.
Stop playing. And for the drink,
Got
air.
hey, don't listen to this guy. He wants to sell his
New wheels for the FRS right here. Not selling the VSXX just yet. It's that time, y'all. Ooh, hold on. Let me give you guys a sneak peek actually again. Look at this. Yes, sir.
literally perfect. Yeah, I'm not even kidding. You're
know what-
tripping if you sell these wheels.